Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on my current foundation routine, which is very healthy and radiant looking, but also full coverage, so let's dive in. I'm starting off by prepping my skin with the Elsi Glow Enhancer Dry Face Oil. I'm doing a few drops onto my foundation brush, and I'm also going to add the Mercier Hydrating Primer, which I didn't realize I was holding upside down. But I find these two products work amazing together for my dry skin. It gives me a very healthy glow from within kind of look, even with foundation on top. And the brush that I'm using to apply this is a brand new Sigma brush that just launched, the F80 Air, which I'm also holding upside down. Anyways, I'm going to use this brush to also apply my foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way. This has become my new go-to and I freaking love it. So this new foundation brush is basically a combination of the original F80 flat kabuki and the F50, which is a dual fiber, and it was created for sheer yet buildable coverage. And since I want full coverage today, I'm using a stamping motion rather than buffing, so this will give me the most coverage. And I've just been loving the way this brush applies my foundation. Now I'm going to cream contour with the NYX Wonder Stick. I love this product. It's so easy to blend, especially if you're using a brush. That is how I recommend you use it. So I'm just going to continue using the same Sigma brush because it just blends out cream so easy and flawlessly. I also really love the quality of this brush. It's perfect for foundation, cream products, and moisturizers, and it's only $25. Also, I'll have all the products I'm using linked in the down bar, but do you see how fast this blends out? I'm actually a little shook. Moving on to concealer, I've been loving the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. It's very lightweight, yet it covers everything and it doesn't crease. And I'm blending my concealer out with the Elsi sponge. This thing is massive, but it's so good. I think this might just be my new favorite sponge. I'm now going to set my T-zone area with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powders. It's in the shade Pound Cake. You guys, I love this powder. It makes my skin look so smooth, and I'm only setting it in the T-zone because I want to keep my skin looking radiant. My new favorite bronzer has been the Mercier Soleil bronzer. It's so buttery and smooth, and I'm applying it with the Sigma F55 brush. For blush, this is also Mercier called Rosé. It's a newer blush, but I usually wear these types of tones, and the brush that I'm using is the F37. Now I'm just going to buff everything lightly with the foundation brush to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. And I thought I would use a new product today to highlight with. This is actually an eyeshadow from Marc Jacobs called Primo, and it's so freaking pigmented and pretty. I thought, why not use it to highlight, and I loved it. The brush that I use to apply this is the F35, also from Sigma. Today is just a Sigma kind of day. For lips, I'm using the new Chrissy Teigen and Becca Cosmetics collab lip gloss in the shade Beach Bum. It's a really nice neutral warm nude shade. And then I'm going to line my lips with macwhirr lip liner. And to finish off with more lip gloss, this is my favorite, you guys know, Marc Jacobs Sugar lip gloss. It just makes everything better. And this is my face routine done. Don't forget to check the description box below for a list of all the products I used today, along with links. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!